Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got another unboxing video for you, and this is from Olight. I ordered one of the little bundles on the last sale, and I haven't bought anything from Olight in quite a while. Last thing I got was this little tiny, what's it called? X9R cell, little tiny keychain light. That was a free gift. That's all I got. I paid the $5 shipping for it, so it cost me $5. But yeah, I haven't really gotten anything new for quite a while. And I saw this bundle and this color, so I got it. It says pull. That actually worked. Let's see. There we go. We're getting there. Some bubble wrap. This came from China, let me tell you. Olight, one reason I stopped buying stuff from Olight is that shipping took so long. I've had them take 2 weeks before they actually shipped my order. But I got notification this thing shipped the same day. Came from China. Gotten here in less than a week. So, anyways, the first thing show you the little freebie this time, and it's Orange I3E. So this was a freebie. Log in, get it, put it in your cart for free. Also in this sale, when you went to the site, said log in, try our new website or something, and get $10 off. So actually, besides the bundle deal, I got $10 off. Yeah, I got the I3E, and then the I3T in orange. We'll open these up in a minute. And the O Pen Pro pen light with green pointer, limited edition. It's pretty cool. So move that out of the way. We'll open these things up. Let's check this one out. I usually open these from the bottom instead of ripping the little pull tab. Now these are supposed to have some kind of picture on them. And you don't know what it is. So, obviously the read me thing. I like this orange. This orange looks pretty good. And what I have, look, I got a wolf on it. So that's pretty cool. The serial number. So like this says, you gotta pull the little tab off or out of it. Comes with a battery. And I tell you, I've had these batteries last quite a long time. There's a little yellow disc. It's stuck to me. Yeah, these little I3Es, I think they're like 90 lumen. You see right here, 90 lumens, 45 minutes. Tell you, I got several of these. They last a long time. 90 lumens is not too bad. You can see with all my lights, it's pretty bright. So yeah, that's cool with a wolf on it. Something a little different. Set that over there. Let's get into the I3T. I was buying for a while, the I5Ts. And, oh, I'm ripping that apart. Yeah, I was buying the I5Ts. But tell you the truth, I actually like the I3Ts better for EDCing. So move that over there. Little booklet. I like the orange and black. Black button, black clip. Same thing. Gotta pull that tab or that disc. I think the i5 or the I3Ts are 150 lumen. No, 180 lumen and high, 60 minutes or 60 meters, 21 minutes. Low is 5 lumens, 12 meters, 16 hours. So yeah, I don't know. That's low. I kind of like the smaller AAA one over the I5T with the AA. Yeah, it's pretty good. You can or maybe can't tell the difference. But this is twice as bright, twice as many lumens. So, move on to the O pen. So, let's check the back out first this time. So, light, high is 120 lumens, medium 60, low is 20, and moon is 5. So, it lasts 23 minutes on the high, 120 lumens. So, it's not as bright as the I3T. 8 hours on moon. There's a laser pointer on this, but you can check it out, take a screenshot of all that. With built-in 110 milliamp hour rechargeable lithium polymer battery. Right, here's some more. Yeah, this kind of interested in this one. I do have the O Pen 2, the blue one. I like it. I use it sometimes. I carry it. It writes good. Light works good. I do carry it fair amount. But yeah, check it out. Again, you got some directions right there. You got the booklet. Tells you everything. We'll look at it. Yeah, let's see. So you get a refill on the side of this case. USB to micro USB. Let me check. Oh, USB-C. That's good. That comes with it. And you can store your pen in this. I didn't think of that till I saw someone mention that. So I might put my blue one back in that case. But get this thing out. Yeah, that's nice. Compare it to the blue one. It's definitely a little bit thinner. It's actually a little bit longer. Feels about the same, going by feel. But yeah, got the pen. Got the red tip on it still. Little bolt action. So if you don't know, they moved the light from the barrel with a push button on top that you can accidentally hit, so I usually have it on lockout mode. Then they moved it to the clip, so that's pretty wild actually. Blue light, 120 lumen light in a clip. Look how thin that clip is. But yeah, That's cool. So I guess to turn it on, you push up on the little bolt here. Yeah. So that would be 5 lumen. That'd be 20. That would be 60. And that'd be 120. And that is pretty bright. Turn the lights off real quick. Make it a little darker. Compare it to the high. That's the new one. That's the old one. So yeah. Then turn it off. You just press it up real quick and it turns off. Turn these back on real quick. So the laser pointer is right here in what looks like a push button. And I guess turn that on. You push it up and hold it. Yeah. So it's got a green laser. That's pretty cool. That's pretty bright. I wonder how far that actually goes. Yeah, I'll carry this when we go to the in-laws next time, and I'll play with their cats. They love laser pointer. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Turn it off. Just a quick up. So you know, that's good. You can flick that. Nothing's turning on. It's not like springing up and turning something on. Pull that off the end. Got a piece of paper. Try this. See how it feels. That writes pretty. That writes nice. Feels good in hand. I noticed already the tip of the pen is more tapered, smaller than this one. See, this one skipping a little bit, but I haven't used this in a while. It's just been sitting there. But yeah, that's the 2 different ones. Basically, it's the same clip. I don't know how they ran the wiring and stuff through there, but I think these are pretty cool. Like I said, you know, if you're going to buy something from Olight, you definitely gotta wait. They have a sale like every month. They usually have something free. Like I've gotten several of these free in the past. Got this little dude. Little 2.5 lumen keychain light. I paid shipping for it, but I had free shipping on all this. So yeah, that's my Olight package. The bundle I bought. I can't remember how much I paid. 50 some bucks for the whole thing with the $10 off. But not a bad deal, because the pen's like $69 when it's not on sale or something like that. These are like 15. These are 9. So it's a pretty good deal. That's why I bought a couple Olights again, but they're orange. I like orange. I like the cut. I like these look really nice. I do like them. But yeah, I guess that's it. Maybe I'll come back, do a review. I never did a review on this, but maybe I'll come back and do a review after I use this some. Do more of a comparison. Maybe. Let me know in the comments if you want to see that. But yeah, I guess that's it. You know, do the usual like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And until next video, bye.